Hey everybody, Mike here from Artificial Antics. You all know that I love Replit. I've been vibe coding with Replit, building all kinds of things, probably for the last year and a half. I was at a talk tonight, did a quick update on, what's new in Replit. And as I was doing my talk, I realized that the user interface seemed to drastically change. And I'm like, okay, am I going crazy? Did I mess something up, right? And then I get a message from one of my developers. He's like, hey, I'm having problems with Replit. I don't have many of the features. And so I put two and two together after the meetup, and I decided to try and demystify some of these updates that they've made here in Replit. One of the things that I realized is files are now just mysteriously over here on the right. I don't know, maybe not every editor, but many editors, right? They have the files over to the left. That just seems natural. Doesn't seem like there's a way to move these. I don't think you can drag this. You can, but it doesn't really do anything, and it definitely won't drag past this chat window here. I think what they did is they wanted to have the chat window at the very far left no matter what. I don't really love this. You're missing over at the left, it used to be the navigation, which would give you all of your all of your tools like deployments, Git, all of these little things. They call that the CLUI. Now you have to get to that using either Command K, which then will give you the list. You have to find it. Or, you could also hit this plus. You've always been able to do this and kind of type it, right? Shell if I wanted shell, or Git if I wanted Git. So yeah, it just makes this stuff kind of hard to find. The other thing that I noticed here is if I drag this kind of all the way over here, right? You used to have this bar where you could switch between agent, you could switch to assistant, etc. All your little tools were over here. That just doesn't exist anymore. The other thing, and this one really hit me probably for 2 or 3 minutes, is I'm like, where the heck is the run button, right? And figured out that it's here now. So if I want to stop this, I can stop it if I want to play it. But this used to be very pronounced. It was a little bit maybe it's older user interface design, but man, it was very easy to see if your app was running, if it wasn't running. And this just, in my opinion, makes it a little more convoluted. It's fine. It'll work. It'll do the things. I've just got to get used to this user interface and then teach the team as well. And one thing that I found was missing, and maybe they'll do it because Matt Plummer's pretty good at this stuff, is maybe they'll do a little video walking through that. Before that, though, I'm hoping to save people some hassle in learning this new user interface. Yeah, so that's it. Just wanted to show you guys that, and we'll see you back in the lab soon.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected with us on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn for all the latest updates, and check out antics.tv or our YouTube channel at Artificial Antics. We'll see you back in the lab soon.